Hello and welcome to proCode. In this video, we are going to learn how we can customize our switch or toggle button uh, to an animated custom switch. So let's get started. First things, now the theme would be of jelly, like we are going to convert it into like this one. You see the animations. So this is the theme which we are going to implement. So to get to it, you just need to open your Android Studio, of course, and the second thing, you need to go to this URL location. So this link will be provided in the description, and you need to get to this website, and then you just need to scroll down until you get to the Gradle section. Just copy this line, copy this, go to your Android Studio, go to build.gradle module 1. You see this the small module written on that. You just open that, go to dependencies, then um, just paste that line which we have just copied that, and just synchronize that, like press on the sync now button, which will appear after you just paste that. You see it will take some time, so I will skip the part. Yes, the Gradle is done now. Now you just we just need to close that, and let's just see the next thing. So this is the code. We just need to copy that. Just come to our Android Studio, go to the XML file, just click on the code, and then just in place of switch, just paste the code we just copied. You see it's there. You just do that, and you see our thing has gotten into shape. It shouldn't give me an error, and I should just run that. But now if I want my this thing, okay, now this one is to be copied and placed under this, so this won't give me any error, and I will be able to successfully run that. So this is how you just import custom animated buttons in your Android Studio project. I can't run this project as my PC will not be able to do that, because I have multiple things running in the background. So I'm sorry for that. You can just check that out by yourself. So this is it for today, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.